In front of me is POCO C71, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by opening your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now you can pick any of those themes. I will go with this one. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher. And last but not least, hit apply to set it up. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always customize it too by going back to the same settings and this time tapping on this plus under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and then hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboarders. And tap on apply. This time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. To edit one of your created themes, you can click on the chosen one here. Use this pen at the top right corner and make your changes. Then hit apply one more time. To delete one of them, click on it again, and this time use bin icon at the top right corner as well, next to the pin one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!